This is TWiT.
Megan Morrone has some fancy modular lights, smart lights, to show us called the Nanoleaf. Let's check it out.
In an effort to find everything under the sun that could make my home smarter, I recently stumbled upon Nanoleaf. It's a company that makes smart lights. If by smart, you mean cool. And I do, because we all know that smart is cool. Nanoleaf sent us this light panel starter kit, and it was incredibly easy to set up, which is not often the case with many smart lights or other IoT devices that I've tried. You simply download the app, unbox the triangular panels, and snap them together in the shape you want. Pair the panels to your phone and then turn them off or on, then choose colors and designs, all with an app. You can select designs from Nanoleaf or download color combinations designed by the Nanoleaf community. Nanoleaf also sent us the rhythm module, which will let you sync your lights to the music. This was also super easy to set up. Just plug the Nanoleaf rhythm into any free panel port, wait for the indicator light to stop blinking, press the center triangle to turn the rhythm on, press it again to change the music scene. You can also talk to the panels or play music to them. You can customize and create your own music scenes in the app. And let's be honest, part of the fun of a smart home is wowing all your friends and family when they come over. You can not only control the light panels with your app, Nanoleaf also supports HomeKit, Amazon Echo, and Google Assistant, so you can use your voice to start your dance party. Siri, turn on my romantic scene.
Okay, your scene is set.
Siri, turn on my forest theme.
Forest, sure.
Siri, turn on my Vader theme.
Vader, you got it.
Siri, turn on my Stranger Things theme.
Stranger Things, coming up.
The only real downside to the Nanoleaf is the price. The starter kit with the Rhythm Edition costs $229.99. Now, if you think of this as a piece of art for your wall, then $229 is not that much. But if you think of it as a cool toy you'll occasionally bring out for parties when you remember, then $299 is a lot. I'm also not a huge fan of the shape of the panels. I guess you could say they're not exactly my design aesthetic. I'm looking forward to the square panels that are coming soon.
$299?
That's a lot, but any sort of smart light is expensive, even the light bulbs. So, I mean,
I suppose so. I mean, those panels are really cool. Never in a million years did I think that that whole kit would be $299. I guess, you know, LEDs, I just think LEDs are inexpensive, but I mean, Fred Zealot, same deal, right?
Yeah,
like, the majority of it is a strip of LED lights. Smart, don't get me wrong, but still pretty expensive for what you get.
Yeah, I think the price will come down on something like that in the future.
Yeah, I guess we'll find out.